welcome to Science with Miss Bright. Today we have a new mystery science investigation. Let's get started. All right, so we do have our envelope that says mystery science investigation, and inside there is a note, and it says, "Hi scientist, today we're going to combine baking soda and vinegar and observe what happens. Love, the investigator." All right, so just to explain our investigation today, we are going to combine vinegar and baking soda into a cup and observe what happens. All right, so before we get started, we do have our question board. So our question for today is, what will happen when baking soda and vinegar are combined? All right, so again, our question is, what will happen when baking soda and vinegar are combined? All right, so the next step in the scientific method is to come up with our prediction. So my prediction is, I think the baking soda and vinegar will fizzle. All right, so again, I think the baking soda and vinegar will fizzle. All right, our next step in the scientific method is to list out the materials that we're going to need for our investigation. So we're going to need a cup, vinegar, and baking soda. All right, so the materials that we're going to need: cup, vinegar, and baking soda. All right, our next step in the scientific method is to list out the steps, which is our plan of action for the investigation. So step number 1, we're going to pour vinegar in cup. Step number 2, we're going to put baking soda in vinegar. And then step number 3, we're going to simply observe to see what happens. All right, so again, step number 1, pour vinegar in cup. Step number 2, put baking soda in vinegar. And step number 3, observe. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I do have my cup, my vinegar, and my baking soda. Step number 1 says to pour vinegar in cups. We're gonna go ahead and start there. All right, so just a little bit. Then step number 2 says put baking soda in vinegar. And then we're going to observe for the last part. And you can kind of see what's happening. Wow, so it fizzled all the way back down, almost to its original state. Really cool. So the results for our investigation today, my prediction was correct. The baking soda and vinegar did fizzle, which was what my prediction was. So if this is something you would like to try at home, you certainly can. Just make sure you get the permission of an adult, and then you can definitely try it out on your own. I just want to thank you all so much for watching today. Make sure you stay safe, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Love, Miss Bright.